Whatever you do, don't walk toward an ostrich when it starts doing this. It might look funny at first, but this is actually a warning.
Seriously, why is it flapping its wings like that? Is it dancing or getting ready to attack? That can't be normal, right?
Before I reveal what's really happening, if these two best friend animals made you smile, smash that like button and subscribe. Share this with your best friend and comment how much they mean to you. This behavior is called wing fluttering. This display is often a territorial or defensive signal. The ostrich is making itself look larger, testing threats, and deciding whether it needs to take action. If an ostrich starts doing this near you, back off immediately.